Good morning, Lions. Today is Wednesday, October 26, 2022. Welcome to another awesome day of learning here at Lemoore Elementary. We're so excited you're here, and we know it's going to be a great day because you are going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. All right, Lions, today's weather calls for sunny skies and a high of 74. The yellow air quality flag is flying, which means the air is moderate for everyone. All right, Lions, for lunch today. That's next month's menu. We will be having Fiesta Bean Burrito or Mandarin Orange Chicken. That Mandarin Orange Chicken I hear is pretty good. All right, Lions. Birthdays. Birthdays today. Today's the 26th. We have Joseph Cortez turning 7, Miss Walker's, and Eli Faritz turning 7 in Miss Martinez's class. Happy birthday. All right, Lions. Yesterday we had 32 absences, 18 tardies, 94%. So much better, Lions. So much better. Excuse me. Classes with perfect attendance: Charrington, Gengras, Harrison, Holland, Martinez, and Zendejas. All right, Lions. This morning, Miss Erica is out till 10:30. So if you're needing to come to the nurse, you need to come to the main office, see Miss Amy or Miss Yessie. They're going to help you out, okay? So, all right, so then Miss Erica is out this morning. Football, volleyball game tomorrow here versus Ingval. It's our last football and volleyball game of the season. Food drive is still going on. If you can take it to Mr. B in 11W, you can bring it up here to the office too. We'll have a little stack and then we'll transport it over. It is Red Ribbon Week. You guys are awesome. Remember, today is your bus evacuation drill. So please take that very seriously. That will be happening in front of the cafeteria at the bus loading and unloading. Also, today is the K-9 demos for 4th through 6th grade, and that will happen at the backside of Washington. And also, today is pajama day. You notice Miss Garcia is not in her pajamas. I realized that all my cutesy pajamas are not really for cold weather. I was too cold. So, I also have a meeting, so I can't wear my pajamas today. But I love seeing all of you in your pajamas. All right, tomorrow is Disney Day. I'm so excited. I already got my ears out. So tomorrow is Disney Day. And then Friday is no school. All right, Lions. And then also today is your fundraiser money is due. You can turn that into the office. We'll be collecting that all day. All right, Lions. And then I think that's it for that. So Wednesday word of the day is the word compare. I saw that a lot yesterday when we were going through classrooms and in different ways. People were comparing numbers in math where we were looking at which number was bigger or greater than or less than or equal to. That's a way to compare numbers. You can also compare objects, right? You tell what's the same about them and what's different about them. So there's different ways that we use the word compare. So if you're in math, you're looking at numbers and looking at what is greater or less than, right? But when you're talking about language arts, science, maybe even reading, you're telling what's the same and different about a story, an object, right? Or even a sentence. We're looking at what's the same and what's different. With numbers, what's greater than, less than, or equal to. So that word compare has two meanings depending on how you're using it. All right, Lions. So the last thing is we are still being on task. I really appreciate the people who walked around the paw prints yesterday morning that Mr. Lionel was painting between Washington and Lincoln. That shows that you were following directions and you were on task. He put cones out so people wouldn't step on them. Those are for our Lion of the Month. We are going to have every Lion of the Month get to write their name on a paw, and it'll be there for the whole school year. So that's kind of exciting, and it's kind of our walk of fame for our Lion of the Month. So this month we are focused on being on task, Lions. All right, great job. I also want to give a shout out, me personally, to all of our teachers on campus. Yesterday, as we walked through classrooms, awesome amount of work. So much good stuff going on. Our kiddos were learning, and that was all because of you. So thank you so much to all of our teachers. We really appreciate it. All right, Lions. that is all I have for this wonderful Wednesday. Now, remember, Lions, we need to make good choices. We had lots of people yesterday who were not making the best choices. And so today we need to make the best choices we can. Because on Monday is Roar Like a Lion Day. And your teachers have fun activities set up for you. But you don't get to participate if you have 4 or more minor referrals or a major referral. Okay, Lions? All right, I want you to make good choices today. Think before we act. All right, remember, Lions, we are one school, and we have one goal. That's to learn every day. Success is not an accident, it's a choice, and I want you to make that choice today. All right, Lions, it's now time for the flag salute.